Hi, me in one day. In case you forgot, this channel is documenting the journey to make $1 million on YouTube. And hopefully, as you watch this video, as future Mark is watching this video, I hope we've made more money. I don't know what it's going to be like tomorrow. I'm filming this video on April 14th. Tomorrow's April 15th. So I just want to say hi to my future self in one day. I hope things are going well. Today we have a big workout. Hopefully, I wake up tomorrow maybe feeling a little sore, not too sore, because I work out almost every day if I can. But I am hoping I'm feeling a lot better because today's one of my favorite workouts actually of the week, in case you're curious. Not a huge fan of Tuesdays. Tuesdays are actually my most hated day of the week. Mondays are probably my most favorite. Like Mondays, you kick off the week. Wednesdays, you're halfway through it. Thursday, well, it's almost the weekend. Friday, it is the weekend. Then you have Saturday and Sunday. Tuesday's that like one-off day. So usually I have Tuesdays be one of my favorite workouts. So I hope we're watching this video feeling happy about the workout we did yesterday, or technically for me today. I'm drinking some coffee right now. Hopefully you're having some coffee as well as you're watching this video. Oh, in addition, we are reading this book. This is The Flood. It's sounds kind of weird. I'm reading the first 3 books in the Halo book series. I'm a huge fan of gaming and everything, and I read the first book, really good. So right now we're on page 261. We're on chapter 10. So hopefully I've gotten a little further in this book. Hopefully that after reading the next chapter, we're closer to the end of it, as this book is directly based off the lore of what happens within the Halo video game. And yeah, I hope everything's going well on this channel. That maybe tomorrow we'll have more subscribers. I'm hoping. Right now I think we're at like 10,100-ish. I think. So maybe tomorrow we'll have 10,120 or 30. Hopefully we'll have more subscribers tomorrow. Definitely more money as we're getting closer and closer to making that $1 million, although we are still pretty far away. I think we just cracked over like the $35,000 threshold or barrier. So we're on our way to get to the next one, which is 50,000 is the next big milestone, which you can all see in the description below. And yeah, I hope you're feeling good. Remember, we do have to go to Trader Joe's today. Remember that, by the way. So hopefully tomorrow, my future self watching this did go to Trader Joe's. Because I'm not going to lie, in case you've never been to Trader Joe's, one of my favorite stores, or grocery stores, period. One of my favorite stores, period. One of my favorite companies. Not the most convenient place to go to. I also go to the one in Silver Lake here in Los Angeles, which I feel like might be the worst Trader Joe's I've ever gone to in my entire life. The parking lot is a gauntlet. And I know that's true for any Trader Joe's, but especially the one in Silver Lake, it is absolutely brutal. But hopefully, this one that when we go to it today isn't too bad. Maybe it won't be that busy. Don't forget to do that. And yeah, hopefully you're looking forward to the workout as well. As typically on Wednesdays, I typically work out outside at a calisthenics park. So hopefully as I'm watching this video tomorrow, I'm getting ready to potentially do a workout. Something I don't know, but yeah. Have a good day, and yeah, past Mark saying hi to future Mark.